Good morning, class. Today we will start a new chapter in our IT book, Unit 9, Chapter number 1, Electronic Spreadsheet. Then, learning to use MS Excel. In this chapter, we will study about the electronic spreadsheet and one of the software, MS Excel, which is used for the same. So, let's read with the introduction. A spreadsheet is a large sheet of paper having data and information arranged in rows and columns. So this is the definition of a spreadsheet. First of all, before this, let me ask you a question. How does the page of MS Word looks like? It is blank. Okay, blank page like. And how does the page of MS Excel looks like? In tabular format, like your maths copy. Okay, so that tabular format page in MS Excel is called spreadsheet. Okay, so what is a spreadsheet? It is a large sheet of paper having data and information arranged in rows and columns. On the spreadsheet, we collect our data in tabular format, and to make tables we need rows and columns, whereas on the blank paper we collect our data in the in paragraph format. No table is there. We can insert table, but it cannot function all other things that a spreadsheet can. So it is a large sheet of paper having data and information arranged in rows and columns. Electronic spreadsheet refers to a spreadsheet program or spreadsheet application which help us to store, organize, manage and manipulate financial information in rows and columns. So ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्प्रेडशीट होता क्या है? ये कोई स्प्रेडशीट प्रोग्राम या एप्लीकेशन होता है जिसमें हम अपने डेटा को कलेक्टिवली टेबुलर फॉर्मेट या रोज एंड कॉलम्स में अरेंज या स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं. Electronic spreadsheet derive their basic idea from the paper-based spreadsheet which were used before the advent of computer to record financial transaction. So ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्प्रेडशीट का आइडिया बेसिकली कहाँ से आया? ऑन फ्रॉम द पेपर बेस्ड स्प्रेडशीट. जब ये MS एक्सेल, स्प्रेडशीट, कंप्यूटर इन सब का इन्वेंशन नहीं हुआ था तो हम पेपर पर मैनुअली लाइंस ड्रॉ करके टेबल्स, रोज एंड कॉलम्स बनाते थे, टेबल्स बनाते थे और उसमें अपने डेटा का रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करते थे. सो दिस स्प्रेडशीट आइडिया इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम that basic idea of the paper based spreadsheet. And in this chapter we had to learn to record tabular data using table tool in MS Word. In the previous chapter we have learned to record tabular data using the table tool in MS Word. A word table can only be used to display data in tabular, that is row and column form. It cannot perform automatic calculation on data. So in MS Word chapter we have studied about to maintain our record in tabular format. In MS Word the page is like blank paper. हम उसमें टेबल इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं टू मेंटेन आवर रिकॉर्ड, बट जो MS वर्ड की टेबल होती है उसमें इतने सारे फंक्शंस नहीं होते हैं जो स्प्रेडशीट या MS एक्सेल की टेबल्स में होते हैं. MS वर्ड की टेबल में हम सिर्फ अपने डेटा को मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, बाकी की चीज़ें हम परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते. Okay, like automatic calculation, so we cannot use functions and all in MS Word table. So also it does not provide tools to analyze data or convert it into graphical form. However, with a spreadsheet program we can easily perform all these operations using just a few mouse click. Also in MS Word table जो हमारी डेटा है हम उसको ऑटोमेटिकली ग्राफिकल या ग्राफ्स पर कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते, हम चार्ट में डिस्प्ले नहीं कर सकते, बट यूजिंग स्प्रेडशीट इन MS Excel we can perform all these easily only with some mouse clicks. So electronic spreadsheet also provides powerful support for mathematical formulas that users can harness to perform calculation on the entered numerical data. Spreadsheet formulas are widely used in financial industry for various types of mathematical modeling. So in electronic spreadsheet we have the feature of mathematical formula which we can use to perform the calculation over the large number of numeric data. Okay, and these formulas are widely used in financial industry for the various type of mathematical calculation. A spreadsheet software is powered with large number of inbuilt functions which are of great help in preparing complex documents like budgets, balance sheet, schedules, sales forecast, etc. So this particular software is inbuilt with large number of features which are very much helpful while preparing all these documents such as the budget, balance sheet, schedules, sales forecast, trading and PL, and all these. Microsoft Excel 2007 is a spreadsheet application in the Microsoft Office suite. It is an advanced computer based spreadsheet which is used to store data in columns and rows which can then be organized and or processed. Some other popular spreadsheet programs are Google Sheets, Quattro Pro, Calci, VisiCalci, and Lotus 123, etc. So it is telling that Microsoft Excel 2007 is a spreadsheet application in the Microsoft Office package, and this application is computer based advanced spreadsheet through which we can store our data information in the column and rows, and also they can be processed further as per our requirement. So some other spreadsheet programs are there like MS Excel. We have Google Sheets, Quattro Pro, Calci, VisiCalci, and Lotus 123, and many more. So in this chapter we will learn how to use MS Excel spreadsheet software. Look at the icons of various spreadsheet application: MS Excel, Google Sheet, Quattro Pro, LibreOffice Calci, Apple numbers. So it looks like something this. Remember, please underline this. Dan Bricklin is often referred to as the father of the spreadsheet. So who is the father of a spreadsheet? Dan Bricklin. It can be asked in MCQ question or one word type question. So underline this, that who is the father of a spreadsheet? Dan Bricklin. He co-created VisiCalci, the first spreadsheet program with Bob Frankston. So the first spreadsheet program was prepared by him along with his friend Bob Frankston. So underline this, remember. Okay. After this we have next heading, Microsoft Excel 2007. Microsoft Excel is the most popular and most widely used spreadsheet program for personal computers. It comes as an integral part of the MS suite of applications and is used for calculating, manipulating, and analyzing numerical data. So mostly MS Excel is used for the PCs. Okay, it comes along with the MS Suite, so we have already installed in our PC if we are having the Microsoft software in our device. So it is used for calculating, manipulating, and analyzing our numerical data, and it also has powerful graphical facility to present information in the form of graphs and chart. So that data which we have maintained in the form of rows and columns, we can also present them in the graphs and chart automatically. So in many businesses organization, Microsoft Office Excel is used for tasks such as accounting, doing calculation, preparing budget, and performing if then else analysis, etc. So in many business organization, this Microsoft Excel 2007, this spreadsheet is used for many tasks such as calculation, accounting, budget preparation, if then else statement, and so much more. A host of built-in function in MS Excel makes working with vast amount of data and performing a complex mathematical operation as much easier task. So built-in functions of MS Excel make using this MS Excel very easy, because it has many inbuilt features such as mathematical operations, graph, charts, bar, and so on. So MS Excel 2007 is a popular version of the Excel software. So the latest version of MS Excel is MS Excel 2007. Underline this also, that this is the popular and latest version of MS Excel software. It presents a redesigned and vastly improved graphical user interface with many new user-friendly features. All the commands are available on the ribbon under different tabs in the form of graphical buttons, which can be easily accessed with a single click of the mouse. So in MS Excel 2007, we have very much improved GUI and new user friendly features. All the commands which we require while using this application are available on the various tabs, on various ribbons, in the form of graphical buttons, means in pictorial form also. So we can easily access them with the click of our mouse. Getting started with MS Excel 2007. To start Excel, from the Windows Start menu, click on the Start button, point to All Programs, then click on the Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office Excel 2007. The MS Excel application window will open up on the screen with the default workbook named as Book 1. So to open MS Excel 2007, we have to go on which menu? Start menu. Then on the given options, you have to click on All Programs. After this, Microsoft Office, and in that Microsoft Office suite you will click on Microsoft Office Excel 2007. After clicking on this, the MS Excel application window will get opened on your screen, and with the default name of that page, workbook, of that workbook as workbook 1. You can also rename that. We will study this further. So that workbook or spreadsheet will get opened with the default name as book 1. A file in MS Excel is called a workbook. Underline this. A file in MS Excel is called a workbook. Every Excel workbook by default consists of 3 worksheets. So MS एक्सेल की फ़ाइल को क्या बोलते हैं? वर्कबुक कहते हैं. हर वो वर्कबुक में बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट कितनी वर्कशीट होती हैं? 3. हम इनको इंक्रीज़ या डिक्रीज़ कर सकते हैं एज़ पर आवर रिक्वायरमेंट. So underline both these sentences, that a file in MS Excel is called a workbook and every Excel workbook by default consists of 3 worksheets. Now what is worksheet? Worksheet is seen as a grid of rows and columns in the middle of Excel window. A single worksheet in MS Excel 2007 is quite large in size and consists of 1,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. So worksheet basically क्या होती है? वर्कशीट वो पेज होता है जिसमें इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स होते हैं, मीन्स जिस पे रोज एंड कॉलम्स होते हैं, सेल्स होती हैं. एंड इन 2007 in a single worksheet we have 1,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. Please underline this. Now there we have studied the concept of horizontal and vertical. So you have to find out rows are horizontal or vertical, columns are horizontal or vertical. Okay, so it can contain a huge amount of data. Extra worksheet can be added as and when required. This clearly indicates that we can put an enormous amount of data and any number of worksheets in a single workbook. So by default we have 3 worksheets in a workbook, and also we can add any number of worksheets in our workbook. So as we have so much large amount of rows and column in a single worksheet, so we can enter large amount of data in a single worksheet. Okay, so look at the picture given below. Your MS Excel window looks something like this. As you can see, book 1 Microsoft Excel. नाम ऊपर लिखा हुआ है. कौन सा प्रोग्राम ओपन है? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल. इस पेज का बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट नेम क्या है? बुक 1. आप देख सकते हैं कि ये टेबुलर फॉर्मेट में है, जैसे मैथ्स की कॉपी होती है बच्चों की. एंड मैनी अदर ऑप्शंस आर ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन वेरियस टैब्स and in their groups. Okay, now turn your pages. Next heading is component of Excel 2007 window. Many components that you see in Excel 2007 window are standard in other Microsoft software application like Word and PowerPoint. However, there are a number of components that are unique to the MS Excel. Let's learn about some important components shown as marked in the following picture of the Excel window. So it is saying that many of the components which you will see in MS Excel 2007 are so much like MS Word and MS PowerPoint, but some components are unique to MS Excel that they are not there in MS Word and MS PowerPoint. So in this heading we will study about the some important components of MS Excel. Look at the picture. there are so many components: quick access toolbar, tabs, title bar, columns, ribbon, formula bar, cell, rows, name box, cell, office button, worksheet tabs, and so on. Let's read one by one. Today we will study only title bar. Title bar. The title bar displays both the name of the application and the name of the currently opened workbook. It also displays three standard window control buttons: minimize, maximize, and restore and close, or restore and close towards its right edge. So title bar is present at the top of the screen, and what does it contains? It contains the name of the application and also name of our currently open वर्कबुक. मीन्स हमने कौन सा एप्लीकेशन ओपन कर रखा है और उस एप्लीकेशन में जो वर्कबुक ओपन है, एम एस एक्सेल में जो वर्कबुक ओपन है उसका नाम क्या है. और क्या होता है इसमें, राइट साइड में हमारे पास थ्री स्टैंडर्ड विंडो कंट्रोल बटन्स होती हैं: मिनिमाइज, मैक्सिमाइज एंड क्लोज बटन. किस तरफ? टाइटल बार के राइट कॉर्नर पे. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. Please read all these headings yourself once. Any doubt you can ask. So thank you. Have a nice day.